Get back. Go.
Are you filming?
Yes.
I'm gonna drop my freaking camera when this goes off.
When is it gonna go off?
Yeah, this ought to be interesting.
Rock, paper, boom. Yeah.
If I die, I'm
But
so
does
kicking
it?
your ass.
Oh no.
Where? I know that kind of thing. Here it goes. Stop.
Oh, Jesus. I don't understand it. What is happening? God dang it. Bend down, guys. Got more buoyant because of the air. Yep. Explode already. Oh, Jesus. Wow, that's big. Oh, God damn it. It scares the shit out of me every time.
Me too! It's scary.
Hey, stop it. Wow. Well, it was a 5-gallon pail.